Whoa, steady on there, Maddie. It's getting a bit muddy.
Ah, it's just a bit of mud.
Oh, mud! Woof, woof! Oh, I'm gonna have to roll in it. Oh, lovely and squishy.
I do not like the look of this.
Look at me. Now I've got some new hiking gear.
Triggs, you're covered in mud.
Ah, no, I don't want to get all muddy like that. I think we should go back.
No way. We're well over halfway. Let's go.
Coming, Mrs. S. Whee!
All right. Come on now, Maddie.
Okay, Dad.
Do you think we could avoid some of this mud if we walk around it?
I don't think so, Dad. It's even boggier at the sides.
Okay then, how about we walk really slowly, on our tippy toes, so the mud doesn't splash everywhere?
This isn't really working, and my boots are still getting muddy.
Oh, yes. Your boots are getting all lovely and muddy. Woof!
Triggs, that's not helping.
Whoops! It's a bit slippy here.
Even with non-slip grip soles, Mr. S?
Yes, Triggs.
Even with optimum tread and maximal step power?
Even with those, yes, Triggs. Maddie, instead of walking on our tiptoes, why don't we run for it? And that means bigger strides and fewer steps in the mud. What do you think?
Great idea, Dad. You go first.
Okay.
Ready, Dad? 3, 2, 1, go!
No! Oh, no. I fell right over.
Woof! Mr. S, are you okay?
I'm fine, but I'm covered in mud.